Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to continue learning about verbs. We will learn IES and S endings. Let's review. When talking in the present tense, the ending of the verb stays the same when used with pronouns I, you, we, and they. The ending of the verb changes when used with pronouns he and she. Let's look at the rule for the verbs that end with a consonant and a Y. For he and she, you replace the Y with IES. Let's look at some examples. For the verb fly, you would say I fly, you fly, they fly, we fly, he flies, she flies. For the verb cry, you would say I cry, you cry, they cry, we cry, he cries, she cries. Now it's your turn to practice. Can you tell me the correct ending for the verb study when used with pronouns he or she? Go ahead. That's right. He studies, she studies. Let's practice one more time. Can you tell me the correct ending for the verb carry when used with he or she? Go ahead. Great work. You would say he carries, she carries. Good job. Next, let's look at the rule for the verbs that end with a vowel and a Y. For the pronouns he or she, you would add an S after the Y. Let's practice. For the verb play, you would say I play, you play, they play, we play, he plays, she plays. For the verb enjoy, you would say I enjoy, you enjoy, they enjoy, we enjoy, he enjoys, she enjoys. Now it's your turn to practice. Can you tell me the correct ending for the verb pray when used with a pronoun he or she? Go ahead. Louder, please. That's right. You would say he prays, she prays. Great work. Let's practice one more time. Can you tell me the correct ending for the verb stay when used with pronouns he or she? You got it. You would say he stays, she stays. Great work. Great work, guys. That is all for today. I will see you next class. Don't forget to practice all the wonderful verbs we have learned today. See you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know how to change verbs ending with a consonant and a Y to IES appropriately. I know how to add S to verbs ending with a vowel and a Y appropriately.